sometimes an opportunity might come which might interest you, but might not interest me. So maybe I might put it out there, and that might be your opportunity. So that's how we network. As we are in school right now, this is the first time. I remember when we were on campus, before we left campus, we knew almost every student in our batch group, those before us, those after us, and those who even came to meet. That is how you network. And all the people that we know, they are the ones that are going to graduate and come into the working population. And we always network among ourselves. And when an opportunity like this comes, take advantage of it, because people here are going to be the next, future leaders. I might be a member of parliament in future. You might meet me somewhere, say, oh, I met you here in Bufoidias at one entrepreneur program. And then, we fast forward, we start connecting because we already have met somewhere and we have a starting point of any conversation that you're going to have. Maybe sometimes when you meet somebody and you don't have any form of relationship with, it's hard to relate to them. But once you say, oh, I met you here, sometimes no matter what kind of situation a person is always, that person will calm down and talk to you. So that is how you network. Always make sure that you are in constant communication. And communication is giving back and receiving. So once you don't have any level of communication with anybody, you do not totally network. So you can always meet somebody, and that's another way to grow your Instagram. Whenever I meet somebody, first thing is follow my Instagram. And automatically you are following me. That means I'm leading you. The moment I follow back, I'm also going to be seeing your growth, so I'm also going to learn from you. So you have to start making that part of you. Anywhere in the world I've gone or I've been to, I make sure that I meet a lot of people, so that anytime that I'm going back, I always get an easy access and easy way around. So that's the power of networking. So right from now, make sure that you introduce yourself to 5 people anywhere you go, and make sure that 5 people know you, and that will be the key to your success. Thank you.